you are a surface pattern designer, you probably know this feeling. Creating a catalog from scratch can be overwhelming. You manually place images, you copy and paste descriptions, you adjust layouts page by page. And every time you want to update a collection or adapt it for a different client, you basically start again. It's slow, it's repetitive, and often it stops you from even creating the catalog in the first place. But what if you could build a system once and then generate professional, adaptable catalogs automatically? Hi, I am Beatriz Pascual, a surface pattern designer from Spain with a strong interest in organization, structure, and automating creative workflows. Over the years, I realized that designing the patterns was only part of the job. Presenting them professionally and efficiently was just as important. In this class, I'll show you the exact system I use to create a structured, scalable catalogs using data merge inside Adobe InDesign. We'll start by analyzing inspiration from high-end international brands, studying how professional catalogs are structured and why they work. Then, we'll define your catalog structure and build a cohesive brand style guide, organizing brand assets, typography, layout logic, and visual identity. From there, we'll design the opening and closing template pages, including brand presentation, collection introduction, technical details, contact pages, working process, and additional brand philosophy pages. You'll also learn how to adapt your templates to different formats, including square layouts, to optimize your workflow instead of redesigning everything from scratch. Then we move into automation. You learn how to create a structured CSV file from your design database. Generate consistent descriptions with the help of AI. Prepare your file for data merge. Design body page templates and thumbnail overview layouts. Automatically generate the full catalog. And finally, assemble everything into a professional final document. In the last lesson, I'll show you how the same dataset can produce multiple targeted catalogs for different sectors, from wallpaper to textiles and beyond. This class is ideal for surface pattern designers, textile designers, licensing designers, creatives who want to present their work more strategically. You don't just learn how to design a catalog, you learn how to build a system that saves time, reduces manual work, and allows you to adapt your portfolio for different markets. By the end of this class, you won't see catalogs as heavy manual design projects anymore. You'll see them as structured outputs generated from clean data and smart templates. Instead of rebuilding documents again and again, you'll be able to update collections quickly, adapt presentations for specific clients, work more efficiently, and position yourself as a strategic professional. If you're ready to transform the way you present your pattern collections and build a workflow that truly supports your creative practice, I'd love to see you inside the class. And I can't wait to see the catalogs you'll create using this system. Let's get started.